Greetings, YouTube. This is Silvertop Flyer, and I hope you are well today. So, 48 hours ago, I put up a video about the makerspace and the right to repair. 24 hours ago, Apple settles a lawsuit on the butterfly keyboard that they put in a lot of their machines. This is a $50 million class action lawsuit. I haven't heard of any customers really getting any of their funds back or their repair bills paid. What I have heard is that lawyers on both sides of the deal probably made out like bandits. As a matter of fact, I heard some whispers about Apple was thinking about recruiting from the team of lawyers that sued them. You know, if you can't beat them, buy them out, right? Just proves my point just a little bit more about right to repair. Thank you much for listening. This is Silvertop Flyer, signing out.